How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all are having a happy Sabbath. I hope you guys are resting in the Lord today. It's your boy Luis el Apóstol Feliz, number 2, coming with a special Sabbath review. This is a garbage truck made by Play and Act. So, we're going to show you guys what you guys get. And this is part 1 of 2 videos of 2. In part 2, I'm going to show you guys what you guys get. In part 2, I'm going to show you guys the truck and the dumpster. Monday. Oh, sorry. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let me show you guys. Let me open it up. So, wait a minute. It takes 2 hands. Holy prójimo. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna do it on camera. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Looks super cool, baby. Nope. There's a screw right there. Put it. Wow. So. El prójimo. Wow. Here's the trash can. So, packaging everything. Son of a prójimo. Wow. So here's one thing. Here's the other one. And here's the other one. And then you guys have the various parts. The 30 parts that you will need. So put those in the box. Oh my prójimo. Okay. Whoa. So set those to the side. There's the instruction manual. So put that there. Here is your dumpster. Your realistic dumpster. Put that one right there. And then so take off all those. The struggle is real, y'all. I'm gonna take off all these plastic. Oh my prójimo. I'm gonna take off those plastic screws. Oh, wait. So that goes away. Check this out, y'all. This is by far the best model. Gotta put the dumpster right here. The trash cans here. Here you have the other trash can. And there you go. So that's what you get. Son of a broken. So that's what you guys get. Oh my goodness. So, and you also get these little pieces there, which are your 30 trash items. So I'm just interested for the truck. I'm just interested in the truck. So check out this dumpster, y'all. Woo-wee! Garbage truck. Here you have your mini bins. You have your gray. So put that there. Here you have your recyclable. Nice. Nice. And then here you have your green. So there you all have it. This is part 1 of 3. Here's part 1 of 3. Part 1 of 2, I mean. Part 2, I'm going to show you guys the details and what you guys get for, for the model. And we're gonna show you guys what you guys get for quite affordable. And so part 2, stay tuned for part 2, in which I'm gonna show you guys what you guys get. So Luis el Apóstol Feliz. Peace.